Great was the zeal of the little Pyrenean shepherdess for the conversion of sinners and her confidence in the intercession of the Blessed Virgin Mary in bringing sinners back to God. The Blessed Virgin insisted so much on the necessity of praying for these souls, she would say, and remembering how efficacious prayer is when accompanied by sacrifice, would add, "Perhaps we do not mortify ourselves sufficiently. Let us try to do so more." One time, the nursing sister asked her to swallow the bitter medicine. As often was the case, she would remark while complying, "For the salvation of a great sinner." The sister asked her, "And who is he, your great sinner?" She would reply, "Oh, the Blessed Virgin Mary knows very well who he is," confident that the Blessed Virgin Mary would surely hear her prayers and could bring back to God even the most hardened sinner. Total confidence and trust in the intercession of the Blessed Virgin Mary along with the sincere effort to mortify ourselves make our supplication more efficacious for the conversion of sinners and the salvation of souls.
The Bible and The Imitation of Christ have sold over 6 billion copies combined. Be sure to download these two Catholic bestsellers worth $34 for free by clicking the links in the description below.